After hearing that new sound, sounds like I got some rebuilding to do. This was my daily driver until I blew fifth gear. This is a manual, by the way, so yeah, I think I'm gonna rebuild it, or attempt to rebuild it. All right, so here we have my 2009 Scion XB. I ruined fifth gear while driving home from work on the highway. The transmission did show signs of it was failing, but you know, I kind of ignored them. Anyway, I'm going to be removing everything out of the way so I can drop the transmission. I do believe I can do it without removing this engine. I'm going to find out. First thing is I'm removing all the wiring out of the way, getting this little piece off from here so I can then remove this. But yeah, to pop this up, you got two little parts there, one there and one there. There, there. The other one is here, which I broke that little tab. And then this one. These you are going to want to put a flathead in here to pry it just enough so it can get from around this. That piece, those. I already have the screw undone. 3 connectors. I already have those undone, so. Oh look, more hidden wires. I figured this would be everything. Oh, another zip tie. How fun. So there's a screw here that comes off in order to remove this wire. So I could have kept all of this together. Future note, all of this plus this could have stayed on there. And you just simply unscrew that. This one here, this here, and I believe this little notch in here. Of course, this screw comes off these 3 connectors, and then that just simply comes out. You can now move all of this out of the way. That will come up, all of this, easy, and just simply move it over, undo the starter connector. I removed a few more things, and real quick, in this way is fifth gear. It goes in, you don't hear anything. You just hear that initial one click. This is another gear that does work. You hear that engagement. Engage. Hollow. 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 Engage. Hollow. Okay, so I have to pause this video. I got some stuff going on and I can't necessarily finish this transmission teardown and rebuild like I want. I can, it'll just be way later. So I just want to kind of add this in here that I got some stuff going on. I want to get a new place or actually buy my own place. So anyway, this particular video is going to come to a pause. Eventually I will finish tearing out this transmission and then rebuilding it. But for now, this is going to be the rest of the video. So I'm just going to conclude this video with the Scion. I will continue it a little later. Thanks for watching.